Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum from Royal UTV. As you know, I have made some videos in Urdu about Imam Mahdi, that he will come in the end times. I am trying to make some videos in English as people are asking me in the comment section, so I am trying to do my best, although I know that my English is not good as my Urdu is. So I will try to explain what I have researched about it, what I have found out about these hadiths. Unfortunately, there are no so many hadith books in English, but I am trying to find them out on internet. I will try my best. As you people know that Saudi Arabia's King Salman has been admitted to hospital. People are saying that he has been suffering for gallbladder inflammation, but there are some speculation that he is going to die soon. As you know, the Hajj is coming also, so there are very much you can say that there is a coincidence of this hadith and his admittance in the hospital. I will try to read the hadith in the book, so you can also read with me. As you know that this hadith is very important about the prophecy that a man will rise after all these incidents. So let's see what this hadith say. This hadith is narrated in Abu Dawood. You people can read it. I am reading Mishkat Sharif volume 5, I think. In this, you can also read in Urdu in volume 3 Mishkat Sharif. Sayyida Salma Radiyallahu Anha narrated that the Prophet said, when a caliph, the ruler of the time during the last days, dies, there will be some disagreement, and a man among the Madinas will flee to Mecca. Some of the Meccans will come to him and bring him out to take him as their leader, but he will be reluctant to accept the assignment. However, they will pledge allegiance to him within the Kaaba and between the Rukun, Hajr Aswad, or the corner of the Kaaba where the black stone lies, and the Maqam Ibrahim, or the station of Ibrahim. It means that the people will give their allegiance to him between the Rukn Yamani and Maqam Ibrahim. There an army will be sent against him from Sham, but they will be swallowed up in the earth at Baida desert between Mecca and Medina, where the people learn of that the Abdal, righteous mystics who are few but their number is always constant, of Syria, and Asaib, the righteous men, friends of Iraq, will come to him and pledge allegiance to him. Thereafter, a man of the Quraysh whose maternal relations belong to the tribe Kalb will rise and dispatch an army against this man and his sympathizers. This army will be defeated in support of the tribe Kalb. That will be the fate of the army of tribe of Kalb. This man will overrun the people by the sunnah of the Prophet. This man will govern the people by the sunnah of the Prophet, and his way he will establish Islam in the earth and will live for 7 years before dying. The Muslims will offer the funeral salah over him. As you know, in this hadith there is a talk about a caliph, a king will die during the end times, and there will be disagreement. As you know, there are some other hadiths narrated in other Siyah Sitta. You can also read it, especially in Mustadrikul Hakim. You can also read that there will be tribes who will fight, and there will be a fight among each of the tribes. The tribes will pledge their allegiance to their leaders, and there will be a huge fight between these tribes. So actually what is happening in Saudi Arabia right now, that Muhammad bin Salman is looking for the throne. As you people know that he is a crown prince. He has been nominated by the King Salman as a crown prince, but you know there is a huge disagreement in the Saudi Arabia about his leadership, about that he will be he will be the king. So there are three families or four families which are actually running for the throne of Saudi Arabia. The first one is Muhammad bin Salman. The second one is Muhammad bin Naif, which is a very strong candidate, and the third one is the family of former King Abdullah. And there are some speculations that family of King Faisal, the former king, is also contesting about the throne. So there are huge disagreements among these leaders, among these princes in Saudi Arabia. Let's see what is going to happen, as this it is narrated in this hadith. So we are going to see it. The people are very much, the tribes are very much concerned about Muhammad bin Salman, as he is building the Neom city in the northern Saudi Arabia. The tribes are not very much happy with him, and they are actually protesting and arguing with the government that they are not going to support the building of the city. Let's see the another hadith which is narrated in the Sunan Ibn Majah, and this hadith is narrated by the great Sahabi Hazrat Soban Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, may Allah be pleased with him, who narrated that the Prophet, blessings and peace of Allah be upon him, said, "Three will fight one another for your treasure, each one of them the son of a caliph, but none of them will gain it. Then the black banners will come from the east, and they will kill you in an unprecedented manner." Then he mentioned something that I do not remember. Then he said, "When you see him, then pledge your allegiance to him, even if you have to crawl over the snow, for that is the caliph of Allah, the Mahdi." This hadith is telling us about the three will fight for another for your treasure. As you know, there are some narrations in the history that a treasure is hidden under the Kaaba. So there are some speculations in Saudi Arabia right now. Some people are saying that the Muhammad bin Salman was actually digging in the last months about the finding of this treasure. I don't know actually whether it is true or not, but I can say that there are disagreements, and there is a very much you can say disagreement and arguments among the princes in Saudi Arabia right now, who are saying that it is going to happen a big civil war in Saudi Arabia in the near future. So let's see what is going to happen. As you know, these hadiths are narrating about the future incidents who are going to happen. As you know, there is a mentioning of of an army who will come from the east. The black banners, these black banners are not actually coming for the support of the Mahdi, but they will come against the Mahdi. Obviously there is an army from the Khorasan, the Transoxania, which will come to support the Mahdi. But in this hadith there is a mentioning of an army which is going to be against the Mahdi, and they will fight against the Mahdi and they will kill. Obviously we know the history of the Saudi Arabia, that during the end time of Hussein bin Ali, the former Sharif Makkah, the Punjab regiment and the Senegalese soldiers came to Saudi Arabia and killed many people. So there is going to be one can say that they can come again and kill the people in Saudi Arabia again. Let's see what's going to happen. So that's for it for today. I hope you will like the video. Thank you and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.